From ancient civilizations to the modern world, gold has captivated humanity with its radiant beauty and enduring value. Its allure is timeless, a symbol of power, purity, and prosperity. But there's another element, less celebrated, yet equally captivating, intertwined with gold's history: mercury. This liquid metal, also known as quicksilver, has fascinated and frightened us for millennia. Mercury, with its shimmering surface and uncanny ability to dissolve other metals, has long been associated with magic and alchemy. It was believed to hold the key to transforming base metals into gold, a dream that fueled countless experiments and fueled the imaginations of generations. But this pursuit of alchemical mastery came at a cost, as the toxic nature of mercury slowly revealed itself. This essay delves into the intertwined histories of gold and mercury, exploring their unique properties, their roles in shaping human civilization, and the environmental consequences of their allure. Join me as we unravel the captivating and often perilous relationship between these two elements, a tale of beauty, danger, and the enduring power of human curiosity. Gold, with its warm, lustrous glow, needs little introduction. Its very name evokes feelings of opulence and grandeur. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, gold possesses unique properties that have made it one of the most sought-after elements in human history. Gold's resistance to corrosion, its malleability, and its high electrical conductivity make it an ideal material for jewelry, currency, and electronics. Found in nature as nuggets or flakes in rocks and alluvial deposits, gold's scarcity only adds to its allure. Its extraction from the earth has been a driving force for exploration, innovation, and unfortunately, exploitation. From the gold mines of ancient Egypt to the modern-day use of cyanide leaching, the pursuit of this precious metal has left an indelible mark on our planet. Mercury, in stark contrast to gold's solid immutability, is a liquid enigma. It flows and shimmers, its silvery surface reflecting light like a pool of molten moonlight. This mesmerizing dance between liquid and metal, coupled with its ability to dissolve other metals, captivated ancient alchemists who believed it to hold mystical powers. But mercury's fluidity belies a darker nature. Highly toxic to humans, it can accumulate in the body, leading to a range of health problems. Its use, though widespread in the past, from thermometers to dental fillings, has declined significantly as its dangers have become better understood. Alchemy, a precursor to modern chemistry, was a blend of science, philosophy, and spirituality. Central to its practice was the pursuit of the Philosopher's Stone, a mythical substance believed to hold the key to transmutation, the transformation of base metals like lead into gold. Mercury, with its ability to dissolve gold and other metals, forming amalgams, played a pivotal role in alchemical experiments. Alchemists believed that metals were not fundamentally different, but rather variations on a single primordial substance. They viewed mercury as the most refined of these substances, closest in nature to the Philosopher's Stone. By manipulating mercury and other ingredients through a series of complex and often dangerous procedures, they sought to unlock the secrets of transmutation and achieve spiritual enlightenment. Section 5, The Golden Touch, Tarnished Mercury Amalgamation and its Legacy. While the Philosopher's Stone remains elusive, mercury did provide a way to extract gold, though not through transmutation. This process, known as amalgamation, involves mixing crushed gold ore with mercury. The mercury dissolves the gold, forming an amalgam that can be separated from the remaining ore. Heating the amalgam then vaporizes the mercury, leaving behind the purified gold. Though effective, amalgamation comes at a steep price. Mercury released during the process contaminates the surrounding environment, posing serious risks to human health and ecosystems. Section 6, The Silent Threat, Mercury's Impact on Human Health and the Environment. Mercury is a potent neurotoxin, meaning it can damage the brain and nervous system. Exposure to high levels of mercury can lead to a range of health problems, including tremors, memory loss, and developmental delays in children. But even low levels of exposure over time can have detrimental effects, particularly for pregnant women and young children. Once mercury is released into the environment, it can persist for centuries, cycling through air, water, and soil. It accumulates in fish and other aquatic organisms, posing a risk to human health through the consumption of contaminated seafood. Section 7, A Bond Beyond Alchemy, the scientific relationship between gold and mercury. The relationship between gold and mercury extends beyond their historical connection in alchemy. These two elements share a unique chemical affinity, a bond rooted in their electronic configurations. This affinity allows mercury to dissolve gold, forming amalgams, a property with both practical applications and environmental implications. In the realm of nanotechnology, researchers are exploring the potential of gold-mercury nanoparticles for various applications, including drug delivery and catalysis. However, the use of mercury in such technologies requires careful consideration of its potential environmental impact. Section 8, Turning the Tide, Addressing Mercury Pollution in the Modern Age. Recognizing the severe threat posed by mercury pollution, the international community has taken steps to address this global challenge. The Minamata Convention on Mercury, which entered into force in 2017, aims to protect human health and the environment from anthropogenic emissions and releases of mercury. Efforts to reduce mercury pollution include phasing out mercury-added products, promoting mercury-free alternatives, and implementing safer mining practices. Scientists and engineers are also developing innovative technologies for mercury remediation, such as using specialized materials to absorb and remove mercury from contaminated water and soil. Section 9. Conclusion, Balancing Beauty and Responsibility. Gold and mercury, two elements that have captivated humanity for millennia, offer a compelling case study in the complex relationship between science, society, and the environment. Their stories remind us that the pursuit of knowledge and the allure of wealth must be tempered with a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the natural world and harness its resources, we must do so responsibly, mindful of the potential consequences of our actions. By understanding the risks associated with mercury and promoting sustainable practices, we can strive to create a future where the beauty of gold is not tarnished by the legacy of pollution.